Yeah, that's already Attorney General na or yeah press conference that what Chairman Wontumi ho. Ebu bo Chairman Wontumi di niema wa ye. Dominica Yeni essay oni assembly tia. And the ordinary court ko ye.
Politicians say all Ghana no. Wo mu nyina mama ye baako. Wo mu nyina papa ye baako. Na mami mi sa asem. Where was the security when Ken Oforiatta was leaving the shores of Ghana? Ofi Ghana after the transition, until now, Omu said there were cases against Ken Oforiatta na.
Ghana need you. Because they said the one we never have president.
And this is for when she answer you the Jimmy be too much yakunyan so.
Hello, baby. I'll be having check a CNA Emma. If I'm Ben Bruce, Xposed GH. Aye, subscribe. My white subscribe now. Any tumpa na wonsa enya kabi. Captain Smart aka seminar. Mi ko hu yan mi yam shame na at the same time no mi hu say Ghana we are lost nation. Captain as some opache nyan say NDC MPP omu nyina scratch my back I scratch your back. Captain Smart obi a MPP obomachi NDC obomachi nti oka asem na ese wutie ni yi. Asem no kan no eya no kra because sebe Wontumi case na no bia fele say eye case as sebe ese ko no anim no enemra ye ka sei Attorney General aka asem foforo. Osi Wontumi case no kra nya bibia. And there are other cases. As example, Ken Oforiatta case no me poma young comrade I don't want to talk young comrade.
But politics, corruption, organized crime. Say it with the Casa Brabra no me and Chidia. And you never start up no. No, you see, Enuntina, and near me a cosono, a de cosono. But yeah, that's what I say. Wontumi a aban aye brase. Yen kokwa ye mko ye galamse. Abrantia no aye galamse. A criminal offense. Aban we action. Attorney General we ought to miss you being who bit me to from imagine did that. Attorney General open negotiation. Yeah, that's already yeah. Attorney General na or ye press conference that what Chairman Wontumi ho. Ghana for muntie me you. Attorney General or your press conference e what Chairman Wontumi ho. Ebu bo Chairman Wontumi di niema wa ye. Se koko board kura mani sika. Ya mani contractor. Went to be an su sika ne ko. Ye da sorry ya. Dominica Yeni. SC. Oni assembly tia. And the ordinary court ko ye dey.
Ghana for money who you. Ghana for
money. And I know Dominica Yeni Nanka so ya Attorney General be catch Ghana for in so the Wontumi court. Emma Roger obeshe me nkom wa ha. I don't know. Ebeshe Wontumi nkom. So be 15 years. Anamwa. Ojai. Na Roger ti be bia ma fiatie. O say ohun 15. Say at Dominica Yeni Nanka so ya Attorney General and say Emra oni assembly tie Wontumi. Le.
Adai. Menya Ghana need you. Because they said the one we never have president.
And this is for Ghana when she answer you the Jimmy be too much yakunyan so.
Sha ewiase wa ho. Dem bia me say wo the politics achi no be boss one wa Jimmy. Dem bia me ka who the politician achi no be bowasum no wa Jimmy because politicians say all Ghana no wo mu nyina mama ye baako wo mu nyina papa ye baako na mami mi sa asem where was the security when Ken Oforiatta was leaving the shores of Ghana? O share Ken Oforiatta case na Ofi Ghana after the transition until now, Omu said there were cases against Ken Oforiatta na. And now was it in a case say, Robin by Ameti Bibi, said they made him even leave. And yes, sir, and Commander a woman sabi obitimi go wia ponchen near man 40 years. Or make you go rare, I hear him $1 billion. Near man or every 4 years, 4 years going to 2 years, I say on health ground, near you know. And next time, how many political prisoners do we have? Bibisao. And now Ghana political prisoners are in the war. Okon Sawema, Kwana Kobiem, national politics, MPP ban where you for Naba, and it's waiting Jimmy Yaho. Forget the politicians. Because Wontumi case, you know, me cry me lawyer, Ushama. Where di Ghana bro? Where di Ghana bro? Na eba ne say na cases bi ba afebili na attorney general no ontimi nka na hwe ekura yesi ya was special prosecutor, but the special prosecutor is answerable to the attorney general. It means case no special prosecutor na fa say or the come attorney general na attorney general na hwe no hu say a case or person odi ana. Eti special prosecutor is your two way. Almost a case here only a change na MPP. Say MPP fiwa almost na NDC ba. Almost we odi say MPP ko na NDC ba na osani. Eti I say nipa na nkasa oti ho no wonim nia oye. And so is our security services. And now you can say dream koso. But they dare not, because the IGP was appointed by the president. And yes, sir, Anka Ayawaso constituency of Kotuabe, Sika FM, a criminal offense. And then Baba Jama, on the one we knew, on number free, nobody talks. This is the country, Minuna Woman. Ghana say, Ghana, I pro. Because Yamu Bino, Yara John Mahama, we have high hopes. I still have high hopes in you. But the way things are going, everyday thing now, because the radical changes that I was expecting to see John Mahama do, he's not doing it. He has not even attempted to do it. The radical change, which will bring proper development to Ghana, Yara John Mahama on try post up this I'm saying the constitution that hono and yes changes now who can in yepe yepe changes and the executive powers will be removed. Most of them will be removed because it makes the executive too powerful and it makes them corrupt. President men were fisua and yet me akase office no borgan akase nti ye kwache na tu. Let's answer. And then yet, who was the head? Ekufuado. Is it not working about free? Aqua functions free. Them because once you are the head, say Kroni Boka una bo ye CEO of a nation. CEO, a Kroni Boka who CEO on your fire. What are you talking about? Ya wo kromu na kwakwa the job ya bani ya kwasi ade saa na misi yetimi boka bi na obisa ho se Ghana ye wo nyansa na obisa ho se Ghana for ye wo nyansa di ba kokra o Ghana na nya sure because ye wo nyansa ni anka since 92 over the years every successful government bia broke wo ho most of the Caribbean kwasiaka it can be avoided. Reported by I say for every dollar that we go and borrow, 70% of that dollar is being wasted. It means that $30 for now. Yeah, the Jumano. Yempe John Mahama baba no ben ye no we fiso no bia be sen enye sa country ni bi ne pe ye Radon Mahama. Ye pe kura sabe o be sisa mra no whether ye Radon wo ho oni ho the country will thrive. That is what I'm talking about. And I'm telling you, Radon Mahama, I know you are capable of doing it. I know you can do it. You have the whole members of parliament more than enough. So go out there and make sure say they change the constitution and change it to all. some of the state institutions now who are appointing heads, you know, and you're wrong, it should be removed. And I'm not talking about you. It has been in the constitution, it has to be removed. CEOs, I don't know how far around here, but Obi, I want him akate. What did not go to Cocoa Board? I know. Sika, you around here, be general. What said you, man? Why should Cocoa Board CEO be somebody who has not passed through the mill or in the name of politics? Masa, we need to wake up. Ghana, they be a catch him say, Jimmy Fobi Mabo, 1970 when a buy no, and yes, and Jimmy Mabio. We should be careful. Because a Niamano, maybe I'm a say, Yaradoma, okay, so when to me and Yadini, and it is obedient to me, ye, but near Pessia, we are not seeing it. Don't see a man was fine, petrol above fine, but we want to see changes in the constitution, real changes, not what you are proposing. And until we see that, some of us will talk. Like Captain Smart will talk. I Xposed, subscribe, share. Maybe 2 man as I can be manual.